Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing The How To Lady, a channel that offers information regarding a plethora of things. And I always say that because the key link is that we offer information on how we do things in hopes that showing you how we do it will provide information for you and you can use the information regarding how we do it. So without further ado, we're going to have an exciting one today. If you're interested, stick around. We're going to get this ball rolling. We're going to knock it out of the park. Hi everyone, as indicated in the introduction, we are back in the kitchen of Chef Mike, and today he's going to give us some proper instructions on how to handle our cookware.
Good evening, sports fans. It's your man again, Chef Mike, and I want to give you proper instructions on how to hold and cut. All right, so in my dealings with restaurants and employees, I have seen so many of you guys that really don't know how to hold a knife or even how to cut. This is your proper way to hold a knife. It's not like this. It is not like that. The proper way to hold a chef knife is here. The handle is just for balance of your blade. This technique gives you more control of your blade. Remember, it's not like this. It is not like this. It's this. Now, here is the proper way to cut using the claw technique. Put your fingers inside. Push down. Okay? I don't want to see you doing this. Your fingers are going to get cut off. Put them inside. It's called the claw technique. And you always stand straight behind what you are cutting. That's why a lot of us have back problems now. So let's do it again. Here. Not. I'm looking for this. Stand straight behind what you are cutting. Not this. Not this. I want to see this. And the claw technique. Fingers in. None of this. This. All right, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. See you next time.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.